good. So far so good, thankfully. What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully everybody's doing great. Today I am doing another install. Simple one, well, quote unquote simple one. I am putting a new, well, not a new, but, well, yeah, a new fuel pump assembly for the G with the gauge. This gauge should help tell me if it's running lean or rich. And it has this little button here. I'm not sure if you can see it. It like helps it reset or whatever the pressure. So yeah, I mean, I got this from C1 Motorsports, your #1 source for VQ parts. Not paid advertising, I swear. So yeah, let's go. I got this. Let's jump right straight into it. Got this filthy car. Shit, gotta clean it. And pam pam. Should be pretty simple. Gotta take these two guys out, put the other one in, and then rebolt it. But you definitely want to take the fuel cap off for this. This will definitely release some pressure for it, and hopefully not make a mess. There, just leave it there. I'll leave it there. And let's get right into it. I was gonna try to do a time lapse, but this shit ain't working. There's no space for it anywhere here. Alright, so here we go. You may want to get a rag. I should probably get a rag, right? Before we pull this thing up. It's probably the smartest way. So, alright, there we got it. Hopefully, no mess. No mess, no mess, please. No mess. There we go. That's good. Better than nothing, huh? That O-ring's looking a little rough. So, I think I got another one. Should have another one on the basement. We're not about to have any leaks. No boy. No boy. Alright, so you want to make sure, I took this one out. It's a little effed up. That you get one that's somewhat the same. Close to it, I guess. This one's way too big. But I know there's gotta be something else. This one, that is it as thick? Maybe, hopefully, because it's gonna be tight to get in there. So you want to make sure it's good. I think, let's see. Hopefully, shit, you guys can see. Hopefully that'll do it. Hopefully, let's hope, because you don't want to put it all together and then have a leak and then bam, which that would happen to me. Alright, so it's already on there. It's nice and steady. Hopefully the O-ring in here didn't get effed up, and the one down there either. Well, it did go in pretty smooth in here, but here not so much. So now we just gotta take this puppy out and put this guy in. So let's do that real quick. My biggest concern right now, it's the hood closing completely. Hopefully it's no issue. Make sure you don't lose that right there. I'm gonna use this Teflon, whatever the hell you want to call it. Put this shit back together. These things are very handy. Got them from my boy Gilberto. Shout out to him. Yeah, let me put that stuff on here and tighten it. Show you guys. Alright, all good. Hopefully it's enough. And there it goes. Then we got a, I think it's might be a 10 mil or some shit like that to tighten it completely, I think. And that shit comes out like a lot. There's that. Yeah, I'm gonna go get something to tighten it. Alright, I just tightened it a little bit. I don't want to like overdo it and end up fucking something up because I'm notorious for that. Ooh, let's put this here. Put everything on the floor. And now let's put the switch on. See how it goes. Wish me luck. Yep, I don't think it's supposed to be all the way that high. So, yep, we're definitely running rich, boys. I don't know how this shit works, but yeah. Maybe I'll take it for a spin and see what's up. Maybe it'll settle where it needs to be. Right, here we are. It is not an OEM fuel pump, so that might be okay. Maybe not, I don't know. I'm just checking. At least we don't have any leaks or anything. But like I expected, I had to do some modifications here. You know what I mean? Because it is sitting pretty high, so, but we're good. So far so good, thankfully. It's pretty simple. Nothing too bad, thankfully, and hopefully you guys like it. I know it's kind of short, lame install, but hey, you learn something every day. So make sure you guys like the video, comment, and subscribe, and also get some merch in the description. And I'll see you guys on the next one.